Yo, yo, yo. All right, so it's my birth month, and let me tell you, I want candy. I don't care what you say, I want candy. I'm an adult, I can make those decisions, I want candy. And so I was thinking, you know what I did? This is what I did. I said to myself, what? You know, I'm pretty proficient in the kitchen. Duh. And myself is pretty sassy. So I was thinking, I had a thought all up in my brains. Like, what if I recreated my favorite candy bar? Actually, it's kind of genius. I know, right? Why haven't you thought about it before now? Ugh, you're impossible. So anyways, follow me as I try to recreate my favorite candy bar, the Milky Way. Welcome to my kitchen. So, the famous Milky Way is a bar of chocolate nougat, topped with caramel, and then covered in milk chocolate. I mean, can you get, it's like a dream. Like, you can't get any better than that. Really? Anyways, so now the nougat, I never made nougat before, but I was looking at the recipe and it's similar to making an Italian meringue, which I've made dozens of times. So I think I can do this. Yeah, I think I could probably do this. I mean, that's like the hardest part, and I've done it before, so I feel like it'll be easy. Yeah, so let's do this thing, because I want candy. All right, so I'm just gonna follow the instructions that I found online. So let's go. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is line an 8x8 pan with parchment paper. Did that. Set it to the side. So we're gonna place 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 2/3 cup of water in a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, and we're stirring until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, so you have 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, and 2/3 cup of water. And stir. Okay, so now we're gonna brush down the sides of the saucepan with a wet pastry brush, and this is to prevent sugar crystals. Cause like I think what happens is like if the sugar like gets into the thing, the whole thing seizes up and basically it becomes like a block of sugar. That's not what we want. So, we're gonna try to prevent that. Ha-ha! That's looking good. All right, okay. So we're cooking this without stirring until the temperature on a candy thermometer reaches 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Got it. All right, so while you wait for the correct temperature, proceed to prepare the rest of the recipe. I can do that. All right, so we're going to chop 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate into small pieces and place it in a microwave-safe bowl. Let's do that. So I chopped mine already, so that part's, pretty much done. Have it in a microwave-safe bowl. Let's microwave it. Now we're supposed to microwave it until it's melted. We're stirring after every 30 seconds to prevent overheating. Overheating is bad. And we're gonna stir completely until smooth, then we're gonna set this aside to cool slightly. Easy. All right, next step. Okay, so we're going to place the 2 egg whites, in a clean bowl of a large stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Done. Okay. All right, so when the sugar syrup reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit, begin to beat the egg whites on medium speed. All right? All right, so my mixture has reached 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium speed whisk. Go! So it says once the sugar syrup reaches 260 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna remove the pan from the heat. Awesome. Then it says to turn the mixer on high speed and slowly stream in the sugar syrup down the side of the bowl. All right, I can do that. right, so my mixture has reached 260 degrees, so now we're gonna remove it from the heat and pour it down the side of the bowl. I think I might have been a little too fast in the beginning, but all right, so we're gonna continue to beat this on high speed for about 5 minutes until the egg whites are shiny, white, and stiff. All right, let's go. All right, that doesn't have a white and stiff to me. That's what she said. Anyways, so we're gonna turn the mixer down and we're gonna add the melted chocolate, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of malted milk powder. Okay. All right, so we have our melted chocolate and our 1/3 cup of malted milk powder. All right, we have a little bit of that salt. Beautiful. And we're just going to mix this and combine until it's smooth. Now I'm thinking I'm not doing this fast enough because it's getting kind of hard. But I'm sure it'll be fine, right? Yeah, it'll be fine. It's fine. Next, all right, so we're gonna turn the mixer off and scrape down the side of the bowl very well. Got it. Now, according to this says the nougat will have the consistency of fun tack mounting putty. I have no idea what that is, but I'm assuming that this is what that is, so yeah, okay. All right, and then it says scrape the nougat into the prepared pan and smooth it into an even layer. Oh, okay, that's easy. Now, this is where I'm kind of varying a little bit. What I did is I put some chocolate, I'm putting chocolate on the bottom first, so that would be the bottom part of the candy bar, and then I'm gonna put the nougat on top. Okay, now the nougat is it's kind of tough, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. It's a lot tougher than I figured it would be, but maybe I get some parchment paper. Okay, that's working a little bit better. Oh, okay, so now it's kind of sticking to the. It's not supposed to stick to the parchment paper. What the point? What's the point of that? Oh, I got this. Ha! There we go. Okay. All right. It's okay. Well, it's good. It's fine. It's fine. It'll be great in post-production, right? Like a great edited video, great in post-production. Now the chocolate kind of got everywhere, so maybe I should have probably let it set first before I added the nougat. But I'm sure it'll be fine. It'll taste fine. It'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right, so now we're gonna add some caramel to the top. And so what I do is I have some caramel pieces here. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna microwave these, just like I did with the chocolate. Microwave them for 30-second intervals, stirring between each interval, just until it's nice and melted. All right, looks nice and melted to me. Let's add it to the top. All right, that's the best it's gonna be. So, yeah, all right, now what do we do? All right, so we're gonna allow this to cool at room temperature until completely set. This says that you can cut into small pieces and serve, but that's if you're just having the nougat, but we're taking it a step further. All right, so I guess we're just going to let this set. Yeah. Here we go. Ha-ha! All right, so it looks good. Now what I just wanna do is cut it into bars. Well, that was easy. Man, okay. This is a journey. I'm just saying. but the destination is delicious, right? Because it's not about the journey, it's about the destination, because I want candy. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover this with chocolate. Now I was thinking of pouring the chocolate over, but I realized that, I feel like that's gonna waste a lot of chocolate, and chocolate is important to me. It's one of the major food groups. So I think I'm just gonna dip it in chocolate. Yeah, it might be easy that way, right? Just dip it in the chocolate, let's go. There we go. See, look at that. So I'm just gonna place these on wax paper and let them completely set, and then we are going to have deliciousness in a bar and my candy that I want so badly. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below how you think I did, because let me tell you, it was a journey. A delicious, delicious journey. I'm so glad it's over. And I got my candy. That's what I'm talking about. Now, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.